Today I'm going to do an unboxing of the Nest Protect smoke detector and carbon monoxide detector. Just an unboxing. So I picked this up today at Home Depot. Okay. Okay, it has this. I am kind of familiar with the Nest products. I have the Nest thermostat and the Nest sensors. So this little envelope contains pamphlets, I guess, like owner's manual. Let you know the instructions and everything. It has a little plastic cover over it. And this is the backing plate where you mount it on the wall. Backing plate seems kind of sturdy. Got a little weight to it. It's feel pretty sturdy. It has 4 screws, mounting screws, same type of screws that the sensors, same screws the sensors come with, and also the mounting screws for the Nest thermostat. So, and this is the thermostat. Just give you an idea of how big it is. It fits just about in my hands, and I have a pretty nice sized hand. So, have a pretty good amount of weight on it. It seems like it built pretty sturdy. These are the inlets right here to let you know when smoke or carbon dioxide is detected. It goes in through those little inlets right here, and I guess it detects it that way. It has it on all 4 sides. And the one that I have is the rechargeable one. The not the wired. I have the one with the batteries in it. It'll work better for me to have the battery. So yeah. This is it, everybody. The Nest smoke detector. So yeah, like I said, just an unboxing. Thank you everybody. If you like this video, please rate and subscribe to my channel. And more unboxing to come. Thank you. Have a good day.